Aloha everyone, this is Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and I want to show you this beautiful card we made last week in our Christmas club. I cased this from Linda's Stamp and Escape and just changed a few things. I love the colors that she chose. It was the Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock are so beautiful together. And then look at this paper. This is called Snowflake Magic Specialty Designer Series paper, and this is probably my favorite piece, this blue snowflake. Let's see what else it has in here. So it has a pretty silver and white one, and oh yeah, this is gorgeous. I haven't even cut into this one, but can you see that? No, it doesn't do it justice. It's really shiny. What color is that? I think it's Pretty Peacock. And the white snowflakes are a little bit embossed on there. So I have to do something very special with that. But that's pretty paper. And so I'll just show you real quickly how I put this together. I've cut a piece of Lost Lagoon 8.5 by 5.5, scored it down the middle at 4 1/4. And then I have a layer that's Pretty Peacock, and this is 4 inches by 5 1/4. Lost Lagoon on top of that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And you can see, let me see, you can either emboss it with, I started embossing it with this, which was the Basics 3D embossing folders. It's one of those. But then I decided, since the snowflakes kind of looked a little like Christmassy and like stars, that I would try this embossing folder. It's Stars at Night hybrid embossing folder. So you can either get the whole bundle that includes the stamp set and the dies and the embossing folder, or else this other one, it comes with the embossing folder and dies. So this is just plain embossing folder, but it has dies to cut out these stars and things. It's really pretty. And it's on page 17 of this mini catalog. Okay, so I will put this together. Oh, I didn't quite get done. So the this Snowflake Magic Designer Series paper is 2 inches by 5 1/8. And then I took a little speck of holographic trio specialty paper, which is it's beautiful. It's in the annual catalog, and it's 1/2 inch by 5 1/8 inch. And then you just need like a scrap of white and the inside piece, which is basic white, cut 4 inches by 5 1/4. So I'll just put everything together first. Fold my base in half, and then, see, I always have to look before I glue because this has a ribbon behind the next layer. So I don't want to just glue this down yet. I'm going to put my card base aside and start gluing. That piece is kind of tight. It's really pretty though to have a tiny margin like that. And okay, next I want to do my specialty paper, and I don't want to get glue all over, so I just put a little line of glue on this and then put my paper up on it. Try to get it straight. Probably could use my grid paper. And then when it's straight, just press it, let it dry for a second. And then I'm going to put it right on the edge so that the peacock piece in the back shows, but it covers the Lost Lagoon. Okay. Okay, now I can put the ribbon, and I have to find it. Okay, it's really beautiful ribbon, and I like working with it because it's really soft and light, so it's easy to tie bows and to work with. And I used, the thing is, if you're going to do a bow, you need a lot more than you would think. So I used 20 inches. Let me see. And when I tie bows, I always tie a knot first so that it makes it easier for me and it stays kind of tight. Okay, and I never quite know if they're gonna, how they're gonna turn out, but I like bows. Ugh. If you're not happy with it, you put your finger on the middle and just keep kind of pulling so that the loops are smaller, and then just keep working with it until you and then fluff it up like this. There's really aren't any secrets, that's kind of it. And there you go, that's cute. I'm using this stamp set Night Divine because it has the most beautiful sentiments and fonts. I just love this set. And for the front, I'm going to put Glory to God in the Highest in Pretty Peacock. And I've just used deckled circles. Look what I did. Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to pop it up over my ribbon with some dimensionals. There, it's so pretty. And now I can glue it on my card base. I'm going to add iridescent pearl jewels, and they are hard to see, but they're gorgeous, shiny little pearls. I think it's easy to pick them up using the Take Your Pick tool. It grabs onto the little glue dot on the back, and you place them where you want them and just press. For the inside of my card, I've stamped this beautiful verse. Yeah, I know it takes up the whole inside, but it's just so pretty. And that's from Night Divine also. And I'm going to glue it in. Oh, and just because it was so, I just love this verse and stuff, I made it fancier by die cutting it with deckled rectangle dies. So no, if you have all that stuff, I just have so many toys in here to play with. It's really fun. So I hope you have quite a few of them so that it is keeping you busy and giving you some fun time. So there you go. Hope you guys give this a try. And thanks so much for watching today. Aloha.